How to add comments and notes to tags into Todoist. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add comments and notes to tags into Todoist. So kindly watch till the end. So the first step is to log in into the Todoist account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you can see all of your tags right here. As you can see the different tags you have for the day, and then by the time you move to the left side of the screen, once you click on inbox, you'll see all of the tags that you've had so far. So for you to add comments and notes is very simple. The first step is to select the tags that you'd like to add comments and notes for. After selecting the tags, by the right side of the tags, you will see options or icons such as the pencil icon. You can see the set date icon, and then you can see comment on tags. So just click on that. After clicking on it, so you can see comment. So from here, you can decide to type out your comment. You can even attach files. You can record audio. You can insert emojis and even insert form integration. And then once you're done, for example, if this is the comment, awesome, just click on comment, and then just like that, the comment will be added as a comment on the tags. And if you want a note instead, also you can just type it as a note, and then you can type this too. You can select the comment option to either copy the text to edit the comment or to copy link to comment, whichever one is fine. And then once you're done, the comments will be added to the tags. So that is it. This is how you can add comments and notes to tags into it. So ensure you try this out, alright? Thanks for watching and have a good day.